Number 5. 100x 2000x Microscopes. Biological microscopes offer 6 magnification settings. Monocular microscopes with solid metal frame and coarse top and bottom LED simultaneously bright field. Meet all your biological observation need. It is ideal for school, laboratory or home teaching. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Celestron LCD Digital. Built-in 5MP digital camera that captures high-resolution images. 30 fps SD video of your specimen as well as a full-color 3.5 inches DFD LCD screen. 40x up to 1600x magnification. Provides enough storage to capture over 600 high-resolution images for lab reports. Fully adjustable mechanical stage. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Mscope B120C. 5 wide field magnification settings. Professional 30-degree inclined 360-degree swiveling Zenithopf binocular head. Sturdy framework with 3D double-layer mechanical stage. Powerful single-bulb LED illumination with dimmer. 1.3MP camera comes with user-friendly editing and processing software. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Swift Stellar 1 Pro. 4 objective lenses in a revolving nosepiece. 30-degree inclined, 360-degree rotatable binocular Zenithopf head. Coaxial coarse and fine focus knobs. 1 watt LED with intensity control, 30 minutes auto power off. Power supply, 110 to 240 volts power input. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Omax 40x 2000x. Fully featured compound microscope. 2000x magnification with 100x oil immersion objective. Coaxial coarse and fine focus. Mechanical stage with adjustment handle. LED light, solid metal frame construction. Please check the description for details and best price.